Downloading data from iCloud is a straightforward process that allows you to access your files, photos, and other important information stored in the cloud. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Go to the iCloud website www.icloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection to protect your data. Step 2. Access iCloud Drive. Once logged in, click on the iCloud Drive icon. This will take you to your files stored in iCloud, where you can view and manage your documents and folders. Step 3. Select files to download. Browse through your iCloud Drive and select the files or folders you want to download. You can hold the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows to select multiple items at once. Step 4. Download the selected files. After selecting the files, look for the download icon of Cloud with an arrow pointing down in the toolbar at the top of the page. Click on it to start downloading the selected files to your computer. Step 5. Check your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder to find the files you just downloaded. You can now access and use them as needed. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from iCloud and keep your important files accessible.